Hi everyone. Today I want to give you two real examples of people that I have worked with. First person is actually somebody who is very ambitious, very aggressive. He is already in a high paying bracket. In fact, his wife is also in a high paying bracket, but he is actually looking for more growth. So when I worked with him, we created a career growth plan for him with respect to what kind of money he can earn and what exactly is required for him to get into bigger or better or leadership or strategic roles. And he is very open to hard work, he's very open to learning new things. So he's a pretty ambitious guy and he's ready to put that effort into it, right? So that is one example of a person that I worked with recently. But the other person that I worked with is a total contrast. So I actually did not work with this person. This person actually is a very old contact of mine. He's around 45 years of age. So you can say somewhere around 20 years of experience. His salary would be somewhere around 30 to 35 lakhs. Now, this person is not ambitious in the same way as the other person. He is actually a person who is very sorted. He has a lot of clarity of thought. Why? Because he never tried to look for a better offer. While he could have got another better offer, he never tried it. He said, I am happy doing what I'm doing. I actually like my work. And there's no need for me to push myself further chasing a better salary. The primary reason being, I have planned my finances really well. So he is somebody who started his financial planning some 20 years ago when he got his first job. So I'm not saying that the first guy has not done it. What I'm trying to say is this guy has planned his financial life 20 years ago. He saved and invested wisely in different instruments. He got full support from his wife and they planned really well for their children and all of that, right? So today he says that I want to work for another 10 to 15 years by the time I reach around 60. But I don't want to get into a role or get into a company where I will get consumed so much that I will not have time to do other things. So I have certain hobbies, and he also said that I do some social work and stuff like that. So I need time to do all of those things. And money right now is not a priority. While I don't have a luxurious life, I have decent money to take care of my responsibilities, and that is enough. Okay, so this enough part is something which a lot of people miss. So today I've given you two examples, and both of them are right because they are making a choice. Both of them are very clear about the kind of life they want. One guy is looking for luxury and growth and things like that, while the other guy is satisfied with what he has got. So, when you are on this side, when you are a person who is not ambitious, sometimes you may feel guilty or sometimes you may feel pressurized by the society. So, what I want to tell you is you don't need to decide your goals by looking at others. You do your thing. You have your goals, you have your dreams, you want to live a particular kind of a lifestyle. So, plan for that. Nothing is going to happen overnight, but in the long run you need to have very clear goal, a very clear picture of the lifestyle, and then you need to make that kind of a money and save and invest wisely. Don't get into the business of getting influenced by the package that your friend earns or by the holidays that your cousins go on. Don't lead a life which is influenced by actions of others on social media. Be your own boss. Take control of your life, plan your finances well. And yes, if you have a financial situation, if you have more responsibilities, then yes, you definitely need to work accordingly. You cannot then sit idle and say, I will do this job only, or I will not work beyond X hours. It is totally dependent on your situation. But happiness or satisfaction is something which will come from within, and you need to decide what will make you happy or what will make you satisfied, and then plan your actions accordingly. And sometimes people really underestimate the importance of time and long term investing, whether it is your own business, whether it is investing somewhere else. Please don't estimate that things will happen overnight, or don't just expect that things will happen quickly. This second example that I've given you, this person has the luxury to decide what kind of roles he wants. He understands that there may be layoffs and there may be impact. So he's updating himself on that front as well. But he is secure in his mind because of the kind of investment he has done for 20 years, not 2 months or not 2 years, 20 years. And that is now his power. That makes him really powerful to make those choices or decisions. That is the message I wanted to share in this video. I hope you like it and resonate with it. Let me know what you think about it in comments. I will see you in another video soon. Take care and bye for now.